Kumusta ka?
I'm happy.
That's good.
How are you?
I'm happy. I'm happy too. Why do you say you're happy?
I think it's on the mindset. Diba? Like the way I see things now, I always try to see the good in everything. Like for example, before, kapag ako'y busy, kapag marami akong ginagawa, I tend to magreklamo ako. I would complain about, shucks, I'm tired, parang I wanna rest, di ba? But now, the way I see things, I think it's more of like,
Pero fascinating and intriguing itong pelikulang ginagawa, itong pelikula ninyo.
yeah,
Okay.
samahan ng mga makasalanan.
Di ba? Samahan ng mga kasalanan. The first time it was offered to you na you were going to play a decano, a deacon,
Yeah.
in a film called Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan, ano yung reaksyon na una?
I asked myself if kaya ko ba to? Kasi syempre, first time kong maging priest, obviously. I mean, yun naman yung beauty ng trabaho natin, di ba?
Ano ba yung Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan? Is this an organization in Santo Cristo? Ano ito?
So I come from dun sa seminaryo nga. And then I was assigned to go to the city na maraming may mga makasalanan. So from mga nagnanakaw to like mga nagpo-prostitute, mga nagsusugal, di ba? And then I had to go there to share the gospel of God and hopefully mabago ko sila. Kumbaga, mapakita ko sa kanila na, pwede pa pala kayong magbago, na hindi ito yung end of the world para sa inyong lahat. And ayun, tinulungan ko silang maghanap ng mga iba-ibang trabaho.
Sa totoong buhay, kung meron kang isang kasalanan, ano yun?
So, kasalanan. Nalilate. Nalilate siguro.
Oo.
Yeah, pero now kasi, I would say na I'm very much self-aware with everything that I do. So feeling ko hindi na ako ganun ka-reckless. Parang I always have to think twice kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin. Para instead of like living mindlessly, I try my best to parang, okay, to think muna bago ko to gawin. So I would say na hindi na ako as makasalanan siguro as when I was younger.